IPC settings. On the Settings interface, click IPC Management to enter the IPC setting interface. Click the Add under the IPC input card name to add an IPC configuration template. Click the drop-down box of the configuration method to select the input source protocol information of the IPC card. Select Auto Scan at the drop-down box of the Adding method and click Scan to find all available cameras. Select one of the cameras, then enter the username and password information according to the information in your corresponding camera specification or user manual. Click Add to complete the addition of the docking information with the camera under the input protocol. Click Add at the bottom left to create an IP input source template. Select the input card number corresponding to the IPC card. Set the template name such as Demo and select the input resolution of the signal source. Click OK to finish the configuration of the input source template. Drag the signal source to the input source template on the right and add it according to the layout of the template. Click Save in the lower right corner of the screen to finish the configuration of the IPC card signal source. Back to the programming interface, you can perform operations such as adding layers with the IPC input source.